Okay, right. So here I am in front of my lovely Indy machine, which has given me a little bit of a headache trying to install a version of IRIX. Any version of IRIX. I've tried quite a few, and haven't had any much luck just yet. I was originally trying to install to this Zulu SCSI. With no such luck. I would get through the install process and then it would seem to install the mini root and then try and load the mini root, and then I'd get a blank dialog box, which is going to happen this time. So I just want to sort of show the process that I'm going through, and then maybe someone can see something I'm doing stupidly wrong, or maybe some message in the process. I don't know. Maybe someone can help me. So, okay. I do have a physical CD-ROM drive now. It's terminated. It's connected to the Indy, and then I also now have a physical SCSI hard drive, which is one which is supposed to be compatible with Indy or SGI machines. It's a Cheetah 15K.4. I think it's around 74 gigabyte, and it has an external jumper with, and I've set it to SCSI ID 1. All right, so I'm just going to go in now, and we'll just start the install process. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this correctly, but I guess time will tell. Okay, boot FKSC 048 /ARX. Okay, it's good. Boot FTKSC 047 stand, and it's fx.args. And I have seen some people use this argument. I haven't used it before, but I have been just trying it out because the person I saw use it, this process worked for them, so I'll just continue to use it until told otherwise. And go through, and this should load up FX. Okay, looking good so far. Yes, self-test. There we have the SCSI drive, Seagate ST373454LC. Everything tells me that that is a drive which should be compatible with the little Indy here. Okay, so I'm going to repartition. Root XFS, yes, and I mean, sure, looks fine to me. I will go back through and just look at the label. Let's show all. So I'll leave that there. I'll put a screenshot of this as well. People can have a look at that. So back out of this. Maybe I'll just sync it. I don't know if this is necessary or not, but clutching at straws at the moment, and exit that. All right. So now we'll come back up and go through install here. So it's my CD-ROM drive connected to SCSI ID4 and install, and this all looks fine, and we will wait for it to copy. I'm guessing it's copying the mini root to the SCSI drive. The SCSI drive light's flashing, and CD-ROM drive's flashing. Everything seems fine. And this is, I've been through this too many times to count at the moment. And I'm starting to lose hope a little. Yeah. This version of IRIX is 6.5.22. So I understand it's compatible with the Indy, which is an R5000 CPU. And any moment now we'll see the result, and yeah, and then the mouse locks out, and I have left it on the screen for a good while in the past, but it doesn't seem to move on from here. And from what I've seen in other people's installations is, it should say IRIX 6.5 or whatever the version you're installing is at the top, and then continue to post, the bit of a verbose install. But yeah, okay, I'm going to leave it there, and I'll hopefully hear some ideas on what I'm doing wrong or what I need to look at next. Yeah, appreciate any help. Thanks very much.